Celebrating Global Unity. A look at September's International Days 2025. September is more than just the start of autumn in many parts of the world. It's a month packed with significant international observances, each shining a spotlight on crucial global issues and shared human values. From advocating for peace to promoting education and environmental protection, these days serve as powerful reminders of our collective responsibility and interconnectedness. Let's take a moment to explore some of the key international days celebrated in September and reflect on their importance. Giving back and breathing easy. We kick off the month with the International Day of Charity on September 5th. This day, established by the UN, encourages us to remember the importance of giving, whether through volunteering, donating, or simply offering a helping hand to those in need. It's a beautiful reminder that even small acts of kindness can create ripples of positive change. Just 2 days later, on September 7th, we observe the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies. In an increasingly urbanized world, the quality of the air we breathe is paramount. This day raises awareness about the adverse effects of air pollution and advocates for global action to improve air quality, ensuring a healthier future for all. Knowledge, health, and harmony. September 8th is International Literacy Day, a fundamental observance that highlights the importance of literacy for individual dignity and human rights. It reminds us that literacy is a cornerstone of lifelong learning and sustainable development. Mental health takes center stage on September 10th with World Suicide Prevention Day. This day serves as a critical call to action to prevent suicide through awareness, education, and support systems. It emphasizes that mental health is as important as physical health, and that seeking help is a sign of strength. The spirit of cooperation is celebrated on September 12th, United Nations Day for South-South Cooperation. This day acknowledges the vital role that developing countries play in addressing global challenges and achieving sustainable development through shared knowledge and collaboration. Democracy, diplomacy, and our planet. September 15th marks the International Day of Democracy, a time to review the state of democracy in the world and uphold its principles. It's a reminder that a truly democratic society requires the full participation of all its citizens. One of the most vital environmental observances falls on September 16th, the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. This day commemorates the signing of the Montreal Protocol, a landmark international treaty that successfully phased out ozone-depleting substances. It stands as a testament to what global cooperation can achieve in protecting our planet. Patient safety is the focus on September 17th, World Patient Safety Day. This day promotes understanding of patient safety issues and encourages all healthcare stakeholders to work together to make healthcare safer. On September 18th, International Equal Pay Day highlights the ongoing efforts to achieve equal pay for work of equal value, addressing a persistent issue of gender inequality. Peace, accessibility, and disarmament. Perhaps one of the most widely recognized days in September is the International Day of Peace on September 21st. Often referred to as Peace Day, it is devoted to strengthening the ideals of peace, both within and among all nations and peoples. It's a day for ceasefire and non-violence, a global moment of reflection on building a more peaceful world. September 23rd brings us the International Day of Sign Languages, recognizing the importance of sign languages in the full realization of the human rights of deaf people. It's a celebration of linguistic diversity and inclusivity. The serious issue of nuclear disarmament is addressed on September 26th with the International Day for the Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons. This day calls for global commitment to eliminating nuclear weapons, recognizing them as a threat to humanity. Travel, information, and well-being. September 27th is World Tourism Day, an occasion to foster awareness of tourism's social, cultural, political, and economic value. It highlights the sector's contribution to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. On September 28th, we have two important observances: World Rabies Day and the International Day for Universal Access to Information. World Rabies Day aims to raise awareness about rabies prevention and to commemorate efforts to eliminate the disease. The International Day for Universal Access to Information emphasizes the importance of public access to information for inclusive and sustainable societies. Rounding out the month, September 29th is World Heart Day, promoting preventative measures to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, the world's leading cause of death. Finally, September 30th is International Translation Day, celebrating the work of language professionals who play a crucial role in bringing nations together and facilitating dialogue. As you can see, September is a month rich with opportunities to learn, reflect, and engage with issues that impact us all. These international days are not just dates on a calendar, they are invitations to participate in global conversations and contribute to a more just, peaceful, and sustainable world.